wadwena ka chance ahade unsem fatawo ahade eye class bi o ahade say nati o adwen no but adwen ka cho say you are fit for this purpose, you are fit for this situation, you are fit to do this. Adwen no there people say my adwen no enye adwuma. Everything is based on wadwen. Alopay and then a wadwen catch you. Wadwen say we den. Program your mind well that you become what your mind says you are. Programming who you say the adwen will bring positive energy. Adwen no adepa and a battery muno. Alopay you are what you think you are. Yakopo body pediano already engine kakrakasa adwini tumu and small but mighty and any people are na adwini nya adwuma ondwen obi na dwen no yenko yese do de akire yenfa ha do de akire because na adwen no will refuse say obema na aye adwuma. You program the mind to control the body. And pay so what you say here a your portion and your portion. And a person what you catch or say Jumana Wiyan. Enya ya and noa enya ye. What you catch or say me ya dear one at Dimbeko womb. I know I do beko womb so. And a pair what you catch us and I made Tomba be ya. And no Abemasa doubt and crowd would doubt themselves. And a pay let the power of positivity. Positive energy enter the system na enye adwuma. If it's a sad na nyankopon ayeyen wadwene ya adwuma ansa na no naba to obo ma ya say the mouth is faster than the mind. Next nkwasi asem na nipa naka the moment ya beka to say wadwen ekontem wano kontem chen wadwen no the nipa no beso ka che o an say nkwasi akeka na nkwasi asem na wo kasa bi preduasa because your mind should work faster than your mouth. To ano ye adwuma ntam chen wadwen na sabi that is uye nipa hunu okidi nsehunu oka nsehunu anopay de make catch on say yankopon say waye se nisu ne se so nisu ban so in his own image. God has created us in his own image. Abefa se wadwen bu ye se oye nyame se so with all the energy, with all the positive vibes, with all the enthusiasm, sad the chrono ebe. You are not born poor. Ya wo se onkwana bebre. Ya wo se onkwana wo de bibia ba bia emfa. Eyo watching. So let your mind begin to think well. Ba watching nya adwuma e wo kwan paso. Na no pay dia wuye bia ebeyeye. And pay the power of your mind, the power of your positivity, the power of positive energy no. The system will adapt to that. Oni peduane beje saade na tum. Na bema wo enso so wadi ye. Arape otumfo nyakopon na somdwe abra somdwe nyina so ekaye ho. May the peace of our Lord which surpasses all understanding be with us this morning. We say assalamu alaikum wa alaikum salam. It is Wednesday morning and fugu Wednesday. And then your browse and fugu Wednesday. And I go for show. Now alter the dim and show. Na bibia obeyebiano enye. Yakoba ye bedin komo. And cow how there's also ye bedin komo. And na proud to say me betena na for sending me videos. And kind one interchanger. Beautifully built. Come on. Na ehu ya answer structures be ase no be CBB or interchange ne ba kwase. That prompted people and I learned say people was there, but me tea din na there no. Na me tea di omsi nipa ne ye no. I realize say nipa no sebi or more damn say obeso re da ko so de blocks kwa kogu ba bia sisi nyoma. enti me catch am say menya abotra hwehwem because I didn't entiase na nye clear. And lo and behold, today we have the results. There be I can't me for them assembly for asem amonte ase no. Omo a de be kuyen. Assembly for them say be nipa no kosi dan na nye no akwacho produce permit. No ma akwaje kakra, ohun je kakra wi an nipa na si dan no. How many times we produce permit ye de red aba be twere ho a ye wie ye ada say stop work. Stop work no kra na serious. Stop work. Now say nipa na waje adwuma no. Kwa assembly ohun de be na afi nipa de aye project na wie. Assembly for na yeah, what engineers we expect them to do what is right. And there's a lot that's coming up. Galamsey go for GG tax. Can the regional minister tell me say he's not aware? Is it much say the little I do? And we are here to criticize constructively. Your friend Kwame Nkwantabisa. So I'm responsible for I am ready. Orlando Powers more Orlando I am ready. So na Ember. So fia. Mekwaba da ya to aso edinkomo.